Are you trying to download Phaser, but instead of a normal page, you're seeing strange ASCII or unreadable characters? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and in this video I'll show you a simple fix that works in just a few minutes. First, open the Firefox browser and search for Phaser download. Click on the official download button. As you can see, instead of a normal download page, the website displays strange unreadable characters. At this point, there's no need to troubleshoot Firefox further, simply close the Firefox browser completely. Now, open Google Chrome and search for Phaser download again. Click the same download button on the official website. This time, the page loads correctly and the download starts without any errors. Once the download is complete, click on the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Phaser should now install successfully without any issues. And that's it. If this video helped you fix the Phaser download problem, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions.